Talk to me about your bookshelves. Like, I think this is the coolest thing ever. So the way you've displayed your bookshelves in this room,
yes,
the way the books are actually placed, the color that's illuminated, the shelving system. Talk to me about this.
Well, the neat thing, starting from the technology aspect, we always knew that we were probably, since I'm a designer and I felt like I might be changing things a lot as I seek to reinvent or add to a space. So we knew that these bookshelves, we wanted them to be adjustable, just so that we could maybe accommodate different sizes of accessories or books or art. We wanted to add those into the shelves. So having adjustable shelves that are also lit, some technology has been developed to deal with that. So there's this really neat system in these bookshelves that utilize the pins that you use to support the adjustable shelves. And two of the pins on either end actually make contact with essentially a conducting piece of metal behind the wood itself. So anywhere you put those shelves, they'll illuminate. So it's pretty neat because otherwise, the only way to light shelves in general is if they're fixed, then you can wire to them. But this system actually allows you ultimate adjustability.
And each space is really well lit.
Exactly. And that was also, by the way, there was a light study done for that to make sure that we were placing it in a way that we could see the effect of the light, but we didn't get to see the light source itself. So we designed the shelves in particular to receive the lighting itself, the LED strip lighting, in order to illuminate it in just the way that we wanted it to be.
And you did the same thing in your primary closet, right?
I did. In hindsight, I'm so happy with the way our shelves turned out. It's going to be a long time before I adjust them. It's technology that I hopefully will get to enjoy its flexibility more in the future.
Yes. And do you know if the tone of warmth or coldness can be adjusted?
So that's a great question. So color temperature is what we call that, the warmth or the coolness of light itself. The warmer the color can be often changed with different types of technology. And in particular with these bookshelves, this LED lighting, it's only one track of LED. So you actually have to select your LED color temperature. Other lights, as you adjust them in your ceilings, there can be what is known as a warm dim. So as the light goes down, it mimics more incandescent lighting, even though it's an LED module, because it can actually warm as the brightness goes down, mimicking more of a candlelight atmosphere. So that's something to know.
Let's talk about warm dim. So imagine you pick a 3000 Kelvin.
Yes.
Is that what you would call it in the ceiling? Let's just say it's 3000.
Yes.
Okay. And if you have a dimmer on the wall, regular dimmer, not Lutron controlled, and you bring the dimmer down, all it's doing to that light is lessening the amount of light.
Bingo.
Okay.
Unless the particular lighting module that you're talking about has a warm dim feature. And what that means is that there is actually LEDs of a different color temperature than the one at the brightest setting. And as you're decreasing its brightness, it actually turns on warmer LEDs to create that warm dim lighting qualities. You're actually using LEDs of two different color temperatures.
And so as you're dimming, it's changing its color tone and its amount of shine also.
Correct.
So it's doing both of those.
It's doing both features.
And
adjusting color temperature and adjusting brightness.
Okay, and that's huge. So when people are looking at warm dim features, that's what it means.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one.
And it's a great question.
And
most people definitely don't necessarily understand or know or appreciate why it's happening.
Right. Or when they're designing their home with their architect or designer, just knowing that feature, that makes all the difference in a home.
It can. And again, this goes back to supporting a mood. So if the mood that you're trying to create is this kind of warm, buttery color in the evening hours, as opposed to during the daytime hours when the color temperature is brighter, you can simulate that, but you need the warm dimming capability in order to make that mood adjustment. Again, some people are not highly attuned to this. It's not a priority to them. But as you're talking with clients, you start to be able to pull out what their preferences are, and you might be able to steer them towards products that are going to be more appropriate to support the ambiance that they're wanting to create at various times of day and with different activities being performed.
I love that.
Yep.
We're done. Drop the mic. Drop it.